In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize knowledge base articles in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to the service and locate knowledge base. You can see right here actual knowledge base. You can just proceed to click on this create article in order to create one. Once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the editor. So for this, just input the details that you need. For example, you can see the question on this article is answering. You can just click on this pencil icon in order to change the question. So let's input right here this. Let's input how to change password. Now just save that. And then as you can see, it will also update. You can also add right here your subtitle and you can click on this to start writing. So for example, let's input right here to change password. And then from in there, just input the actual knowledge base that you want to import. Then after that, just head over and save this. It will auto save as well and you should be able to find it directly. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use the affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.